Morning students, welcome you all in Rishikul online classes. Dear students, today we will discuss chapter 2 of class 9 from Women's book, and the name of the chapter is The Adventure of Toto, written by Ruskin Bond. So before we start this chapter, first tell me how you feel if you had a baby monkey as a pet. So in this story, Adventure of Toto, Toto is a monkey, and the story is written by Ruskin Bond, and he has described how his grandfather was fond of animals. Once he bought a monkey from a Tonga driver and brought this monkey to his house. So this story is all about Toto the monkey and its adventure as a pet. Let us begin with the chapter. So first stanza is: Grandfather bought Toto from a Tonga driver for the sum of 5 rupees. The Tonga driver used to keep the little red monkey tied to a feeding trough, and the monkey looked so out of place there that grandfather decided he would add the little fellow to his private zoo. So dear student, grandfather bought Toto from a Tonga driver. Tonga driver means a person who drives a horse cart. So grandfather bought Toto from him for the sum of 5 rupees, only in 5 rupees, because it is a very old story, and then 5 rupees have a lot of value. So the grandfather bought Toto from that man. The Tonga driver used to keep the little red monkey tied to a feeding trough. Feeding trough means a large container for feeding animals. The Tonga driver always kept the monkey tied to the feeding trough because the monkey was very mischievous, very naughty. So when grandfather saw Toto there, the monkey looked so out of place. So that's why grandfather decided that he would bought him and would add this little creature in his private zoo. See the next paragraph. Toto was a pretty monkey. His bright eyes sparkled with mischief beneath deep-set eyebrows, and his teeth, which were a pearly white, were very often displayed in a smile that frightened the life out of elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. But his hands looked dried up as though they had been pickled in the sun for many years. Yet his fingers were quick and wicked, and his tail, while adding to his good looks. Grandfather believed a tail would add to anyone's good look. Also served as a third hand. He could use it to hang from a branch, and it was capable of scooping up any delicacy that might be out of reach of its hand. So here in this stanza, the writer gives the description of this little monkey, Toto. The writer says that his eyes were bright and sparkle with mischiefs. His eyebrows are deep in his mouth, and his teeth were white like pearls. They shine like pearls. But this frightened the elderly Anglo-Indian ladies who may be living near writer's house, who may be his neighbors. But his hands were so dried that they looked like they dried up in the sun for many years, like pickles. Pickle means food that is preserved in vinegar. So his hands were so dried, but his fingers were very fast and clever, and his tail also adds some more in his good looks. He increases his beauty. He used his tail as his third hand. He could use his tail to hang and to snatch the things that were out of his reach. And grandfather believed that a tail that can add to anyone's good looks. He presents this line in a very humorous way. So the Toto used his tail as a third hand. he could use the tail to hang from a branch, and it was capable of scooping. Scooping means lifting up any delicacy that may be out of reach of his hands. There he can use his tail. So dear student, read this paragraph again. We will continue this chapter in our next lecture. Thank you and have a good day.